Welcome to Youuchef, where you are the chef. Today I'm going to show you how to make pasta from scratch. Now, to make this pasta, you would need flour, eggs. In some recipes, you'll also see egg yolks, water, and salt. The idea is to mix all these ingredients into a smooth, elastic dough. After that is done, you would place the dough in the refrigerator for 1 hour. Now, the best flour to use is salmonella. However, in this recipe, I am using all-purpose flour. What I have before me now, the pasta press. So the pasta would be pressed into this first mold, followed by the spaghetti mold. Process is pretty much simple. On here you have numbers, and the numbers are 1 to 8, and once I go to, let's say, 1, it opens wider, and the more I climb to the higher number, the space that you're seeing here would close in. That would make the pasta dough thinner, which would allow me now to pass it through the spaghetti mold to get spaghetti. Now, I know that many of you may not have a spaghetti mold, so I'm going to show you how to make something similar by using a rolling pin and a knife that you can do at home. The process is to roll the pasta dough to the same thickness that you did with the machine. You would then cut this rolled pasta dough into a rectangle. Then here comes the trick. You fold in half, then you fold that again in half. What you're left with is this size, and all you need to do now is cut as thin as you can. Now the next thing to do is to saute the homemade pasta with broccoli that I have blanched in salted water, chopped garlic and pimentos, diced carrot and sweet pepper, and I'm going to top that with some grated cheese. Now, if you don't want to go through the process of making the pasta from scratch, you can go and buy the spaghetti already made in the grocery and just follow the steps that I did in sauteing the ingredients with the pasta. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos. I'm out.